Hey crew, welcome back. Dr. Jared here with Health and Performance Center. We're going to be going through just a concept here. It's January, New Year's resolutions for some of us. We've been doing this consistently, and hopefully more people are getting into less of a resolution as more as a realization of what they're capable to take throughout the entire year and potentially a decade. For those of you who are just kind of beginning that journey, hey, more power to you. We love it. We want to help you, be more successful and achieve your goals. And so does the entire healthcare system. I know it sounds strange, but yeah, that's true. The entire healthcare system is starting to realize that exercise is medicine, or I would more likely say exercise is healthcare. Because the more that we exercise, the less that we need medicine. So exercise is more of a better form or more natural form of healthcare that we want to realize in our resolutions and getting back into the gym. It's not only just for the look of it, although that's very nice. It is more for your internal and full system health in terms of your physical being, emotional being, spiritual, the whole kit and caboodle. We're looking to say that exercise is health. Well, what do we do at Health and Performance Center? Many of you know this is a review, but for some of you who are just getting involved with us here or talking to your friends, Health and Performance Center works on joints, muscles, and movement. Okay, and specifically, we work on joints and muscles to change movement or to restore intended movement. The idea being we won't have issues with joints and muscles if we can move better. Another way of saying that is the magic is in the movement. Someone very smart said that once. The magic is in the movement. So we're always taking treatments to joints and muscles and filtering that towards perfecting our movements. And if we perfect our movements, then we can shift that into not only our activities of daily living and how we operate around the house and with kids and with family or just on our own anywhere in space. It's also in high intensity exercise, which you already know, high intensity interval type training, CrossFit, functional movement training. Those are the things that are really going to yield high benefit with our exercise. Yet if we don't have good movement patterns with those, we're open for vulnerability to injuries or more of kind of sick care, which is we want to avoid or get out of that trend. So we really focus on joints and muscles to create better movement patterns so we can exercise. And if we can exercise with longevity, then it becomes our healthcare system. Isn't that cool? I don't need medicine anymore. In fact, we don't even need to talk about that too much because it's out of the equation, because I've been able to exercise, revolutionize my body, and treat it like it's intended to be treated so that I can have health, and it's my healthcare system that effectively decreases heart disease, stroke, cancer, dementia, arthritis, blood pressure, diabetes, disability, obesity, surgery, pain, headaches. Yeah, a lot of times chiropractors will get a bad rap. Well, they think they can treat everything. And sometimes, I'm in that boat with saying, whoa, guys, let's talk about what we actually do treat here. But realistically, we do treat all of these things, or we give the opportunity for the patient to live their body or live their life more naturally as their body's intended so they can achieve all of these things. So yeah, sometimes there's guys out there and girls out there that are throwing stuff at you that seems a little bit crazy. Well, we don't do too much of that. We just kind of focus on joints. We focus on muscles, how that filters into our structure and our function so that we can train and exercise with longevity. So more of these headaches, pain, decreasing surgery, obesity, and disability, yeah, we're all over that. We do that every day. That's our bread and butter. But having that filter up into the, treating people with diabetics, working with blood pressure, long-term degenerative changes with our patients, dementia, cancer, stroke, heart disease, absolutely, that filters up when you can experience longevity. And the only way that you're going to do that is to be able to create balance in your joints, balance in your muscles, filter that into your movements so that you have the opportunity to get rid of medicine, experience true health, so that all of these become either a thing of the past or things you don't have to worry about for the next several decades.